I am sick and tired of seeing ads float around regarding how good this device is supposed to be. If you're not familiar with what this is or who I am, my name is John Green, and in this video, I'll be doing an unboxing of the reMarkable 2. I don't usually post my tech tutorials on or unboxings on this channel, but being that this is a device that you could perhaps use for work, study, or just personal journaling or so forth, I figured it'd be worth introducing it to the tech community if you aren't already familiar with it. So if you're not familiar with this device, this is essentially a digital device that's designed for limited internet use. Like the goal of using this is to use it as a digital paper replacement. They say the writing experience is supposed to be really good, but I'll be able to test that shortly. This thing is incredibly expensive. I mean, $635 for the kit that I got. This comes with the cover for it, the magnetic cover for it, as well as the marker plus pin that comes with it that allows you to erase and so forth. So, we'll see if this actually justifies the price that you're paying for it. The idea of this product definitely strikes me in the fact that, it's supposed to essentially limit what you're doing to help you better focus on the task at hand. Like they minimize, the amount of apps that you can install, like say Facebook or Instagram, something to distract you or interrupt your thought process when you're just trying to take notes and so forth. But is that price really justifiable? Let's go ahead and jump into it. Okay, all right, so to get started with opening this thing up, I will go ahead and start with the back. Okay. Everything you need to do your best thinking gathered in one essential collection. Paper-like writing and reading, no distractions. Built-in eraser attaches magnetically. Premium leather black, sturdy and smart protection. All right, go ahead and open this thing up. So it says tear here, and okay, here I'm able to pull this part out. Okay. All right, again, here are the 3 items that come in the box. This first one, I have the reMarkable tablet itself. So I'll just move that to the center here. In this pouch right here at the bottom, you essentially get the USB cord to charge it. USB-C, okay, has a nice little link to it. Certainly stretch across your desk if you needed it to. All right. So that's nice. I'll put that over to the side here. And this is definitely a lot thinner and smaller than I thought it would be initially. I'll get that out of the way there. Okay, and we designed reMarkable to not get in the way, get in your brain's way, to help you think. This is really thin. Let me just bring this a little closer so you can get an idea compared to my finger, how my finger is literally thicker than this. So this is, that's cool. At the bottom there, you have that USB-C port that you'll be using for charging. You have some magnetic pins there that I'm assuming will play a function with the case. So let's see, what about this? Congratulations on your new reMarkable. Welcome to a better thinking community, a growing movement of people committed to finding focus in a distracted world. Now that you have it in your hands, we hope it's another step towards deeper thinking, learning, and being in the moment. The blank page awaits, the reMarkable team. It's a nice note. You have a quick start guide that comes with it. All right, how to turn it on. Apparently there's a button at the top of it. All right, I missed that initially. And that's powering up. So I'll set that over to the side. It looks like it's gonna be pretty straightforward, but let's see, navigating, swipe right, swipe left, swipe up in the notebook to get more paper. Okay, so that's customizable. Interesting. All right, again, I'll move that over there. And let's see what else we have. So right here, we have the reMarkable pin. It says tear here. I'll go ahead and pull that out. So sweet. Oh, so you get an excess of marker tips over here as well. Interesting. All right, so I'll move that over there for now. And this is what the pin looks like. It definitely gives you the feel of holding like a #2 pencil. I mean, it's of course not the same material as a wooden pencil. Width-wise, it does feel pretty comfortable. It's nice to see that you get some replaceable marker tips in case this gets run down. So you get a total of about 9. So nice. And I wonder if they're all the same size. They look to be the same size, but all right. We believe this is magnetic. Yeah. So it sticks to the tablet, which is nice. And lastly is the premium leather folio book cover that you get for it. And pull this tab to remove it. It says genuine leather that ages beautifully, snaps into place with magnets, sturdy and smart protection for your paper tablet. This was one of the components that I thought was extremely overpriced. So let's see how it holds up, if I can get the thing out of there. So, I mean, off the bat, I can tell you how it feels. It reminds me of like holding a binder, the binder that you can find at Walmart or something. It has a smooth texture or whatnot, and it does wrap completely around. So I'll go ahead and take out this dummy cardboard that it has inside of it. So right in the middle of recording, my Osmo Pocket actually did overheat, and so I had to, pick up after it cooled down. But essentially, this is what you get. It is magnetic, so when you close it, it closes on both ends. But let's go ahead and slide in the reMarkable and see how that fits while it's inside. Okay, fits seamlessly as expected. Pretty nice, pretty nice. And if you want it to attach your pen, put it on like that, I guess, yeah. So it definitely is a sleek, clean look. Nice. All right, so let's go ahead and dive into what the actual feel of writing on this looks like. Jesus, it definitely, you don't get really, it's a different experience in terms of like what I'd expect the display to look like. It's very minimalist in terms of like not being overly fancy. It's having like a OLED display with vibrant colors. It's really just, blank, which is nice. I mean, if the whole idea is to, mimic the feel of writing on paper and that experience, I think it captures that in that aspect. But let's see, your screen is unique. So this is actually a message regarding the display. Every now and then, your display will refresh itself. Give it a try. All right, so if I refresh it, that's what that looks like. Yep, so that's what a screen refresh looks like. I'll go ahead and start the setup.
5 minutes later.
All right, so I have to say, I am surprised. This freaking reMarkable 2 tablet is fucking nice. They designed it in a sense to where when you hold the tablet, you have enough space to where your hand isn't protruding on the screen. It feels comfortable. Like you could literally jot down notes like this. It feels as if you're writing on paper with a clipboard. That's the best way to explain it. It's super easy to go ahead and write. Like it's too easy to write something on the board and then let me write something random. And forgive me, I don't have the best handwriting, but the controls that they built in, and I've only played around with this briefly within, say, about 10 minutes or so. If I wanted to drag this and move that, it's as simple as that, and then I can get right back to writing. And so I think that's a pretty cool feature that they built in. If I wanted to, overall lower this, make it a bit lower, I can still do that. I have that flexibility, and I've just opened up a lot more space up here to make whatever type of changes that I want to do. The eraser functionality is pretty darn cool. The friction that you get from using the eraser, putting it on this screen, it just gives you that feel as if you're utilizing literally the eraser from a lead pencil or so forth. And it's environmental friendly, whereas I can go through a pack of these, you just utilize this one stylus and then you have the replaceable tips that they give you for this stylus. But I'll have to see, over time, how long it takes to wear down the actual tip or whatnot. And maybe they have some reviews or statistics on their actual website. I'll have to check that out. But so far, it's a pleasant experience. I still have about 14 days left on this purchase from Best Buy regarding this reMarkable 2 tablet. So I'm gonna play around with it, get a better sense of the capabilities of it, and post a review video later on. So stay tuned. If you enjoyed the video and found it helpful, go ahead and smash that like button and consider subscribing to the tech channel, John Green Tech, where I will be doing unboxings and reviews of the latest tech products that I come in contact with. Other than that, thanks for viewing, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.